Come on. Where's Christian? Well, I do message for Martina. Martina said, are you ready to go to school? He's waiting outside the house. Oh, look at this. Chris. Christian. Ta-da! Tasty. You want to open this here? Hello. Sit here. Careful, guys. Yeah. Yeah. I will give you the scissors. Where's the scissors?
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go. Right. There you go. Hey guys, welcome back. So today is new school day, first day of school again. From holiday, a week, 1 week holiday. So kakain ng kinapay si Christian. Tapos punta kami ng school kasi nga may breakfast naman siya doon, guys. Doon yung may proper breakfast na doon. So ito ano na lang, para hindi siya magutom maglakad kanila. Masarap ito, guys, itong vanilla. Let me fix your hair.
No.
Hey Siri, alarm, half past 8.
Put the head there.
We're gonna fix your hair.
You head up.
It's very dry. Naligo na ito sa Christian kagabi, guys. So ngayon, ano ko na lang siya. Punas-punas na lang yan, guys, sa morning.
No.
Basta sa gabi naligo siya. Kasi dito, mas okay na magligo sa gabi, guys. Kaysa sa morning. Dito sa akin lang, guys, depende naman kasi. Pero ako kasi sa gabi na siya naliligo. Kasi sa morning. Naku, guys. Iwan ko lang. Good luck myself kung may time pa magpaligo. Kasi minsan, di ba, kapag winter, lalo na winter, na malamig, mas kailangan talaga na, let's say summer, okay siya. Pero, night kasi ang para sa akin na mas okay sa kanya na paliguan ng night. Kasi sa morning. Kasi nasubukan ko na rin yung nag-morning shower siya. Again. Parang lumala. Malamig kasi minsan yung winter. Naubo si Christian. Lalong asthma attack siya. So, mabuti na lang itong sa gabi na siya mag-bath. Tapos, wash na yung hair. Kasi hindi siya pupunta ng school. Kasi kapag basa yung buhok pupunta ng school, Diyos ko Lord, kawawa si Christian lalo na pag winter, guys. Malamig. So, yeah. Meron silang breakfast sa school, which is very good. Hala, cream. Paubos na yung cream mo. We're gonna buy a new one. Look, paubos na. Mommy gonna buy a new one. Yan, look. Finish.
Not a one.
Get the new one.
I eat that?
That's not food.
Yeah. Huh?
Is it food?
Yeah. I can't eat.
Gasto sa cream mo, bukok mo kayo. Sabi. Ganito pala gastos ang cream sa buhok ng Afro hair.
A boot?
Afro hair.
A boot.
Yeah, because you are half African, half Filipino, British. Like, at the back na lang. Yeah, the back na lang and we're done. Today is sunny day, King. It's not bad the weather today. No. Better. than yesterday. Yesterday is a bit cold, really. Nung lumabas kami kahapon, parang malamig pa. Ay, naulan pala kahapon. Kaya pala, walang araw masyado. You need haircut as well, my love. You need haircut, uncle? Not the one. The other one, okay? Yeah? Not the other one. It's not good, that one is. The other one, but the one that always cutting your hair is better, isn't it? If he's not around, so we're not going. I know, I'm gonna have a meeting today. Meron palang meeting mamayang hapon, mamayang gabi mamayang hapon sa school ni Lucky. So, ang mangyayari, si Daddy na magsusundo sa'yo, Christian. Daddy gonna give you a sundo.
Why?
This afternoon, Daddy gonna give, sundo, Christian. Because Mommy going for a meeting at 5 o'clock. At 5, I mean. So, you want Daddy sundo or Mommy? Mommy? Oh. You want Mommy sundo, Christian? Sundo from school.
The mommy got you, doctor.
Mm-hmm.
The mommy got you.
Athena. Who's Athena? Friend niya si Athena. Tanong ko lang. Who's Athena?
I'm not want to
Your
go.
friend.
I'm not want to go to the out one.
Yeah? Si Christian friend, Athena. So parang abutin lang natin minutes. Subo ko pa lang. Oh, drink your juice na. It's on 23 past 8 na. So guys, thank you pala sa mga sa mga bagong nating subscriber. Meron akong bagong subscriber. At sa mga nanonood guys. Thank you very much sa papanood ng aming vlog. So thank you. Sa mga nagpa-follow dyan. Say thank you, auntie, uncle.
Daddy circle.
This is mine. This one is my problem here in the front. Hindi ko na mahanap ng suklay kasi ni Christian. Hindi na siya suklay na yung afro hair para sa afro na suklay. Hindi ko mahanap, King. I can't find it. I'll introduce na kasi we're going soon. We're gonna eat at school anyway. We need to put money in your lunch. Sana po. Today is nakauwi na kami guys. Dito na kami sa bahay. Ito pala yung bagong uniform ni Christian sa kanyang PE. Show to the guys. Hala. Sabi ko, show to the guys. Lumayas. Yan yung bagong uniform niya guys. Maganda, diba? So, yeah. So, ako dito guys, mag-vacuum ako. Kasi lalabas si Mr. at si Christian. May bibili na sila doon sa labas. So, sabi ko dito na ako sa bahay, di ako sasama kasi mag-vacuum ako, maghuhugas ako ng pinggan kasi kumain na din kami. Oras na dito guys, alas 5:30 na kumain na kami. Tapos yung lalabas na kasi may bibili na sila sa labas. So ngayon, mag-vacuum ako dito ng todong-todo. At saka magligpit ng mga pinagkainan, maghugas ba. At saka after pagbalik nila guys, mag-shower na rin si Christian. At ako, mag-shower na din para at least ready to bed na si Christian. So, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at the chocolate.
It's like nothing happened today, ah. Let me close it. Bye, King.
Hey, no, it's coming.
Look.
Bye. Bye.
How is it, King? Good. Is handsome ba, be? Handsome King, be? Ah, very handsome, my baby boy ba? Oh, got chased again. Ah, very handsome ba? Look at King's new uniform. Look at King's new uniform, guys. Amazing. You look handsome with that, Christian.
Oh, yeah. What's it?
You like it?
Like that.
Hmm.
What is the sweet doing here?
Yeah. You got t-shirt inside, right? You got t-shirt. How you take that off? You have to practice that because you have to learn how to use your clothes. So, ito yung bago nila dati kasi guys, white and black. So, ngayon, yan yung bagong color ng kanilang PE uniform. Very good. Okay, how you remove your clothes instead?
I want to know.
How you remove your clothes?
Okay.
Practice, come on.
White.
Okay, that's it, that's it. That's good. That's it.
10?
Yeah. Put it up. Open the zipper.
No, I'm 10.
How you gonna...
It's 10.
Arty naman ang anak ko eh.
It's 10.
Hmm?
It's 10.
How you remove your clothes? You need to practice here in the house. Because no one's gonna help you there.
It's 10.
But you look handsome with that shirt. I like it, guys. Kasi before white and black, no? T-shirt. Yeah, where did you go with daddy? Where did you go with daddy? School.
Yeah,
Did you walk?
the practice walk.
Did you walk?
A practice. The practice walking good.
Did you run?
No.
Good. No talking to stranger. Diyan, tuturuan namin siya, guys, na bawal mag-usap sa... Yeah, you need to not talking to strangers. Because you don't know the strangers. That's why strangers, because you don't know them. Yeah. I don't understand really, guys. What? Hindi ko talaga naintindihan. The sale.
No. Why is it? Yeah.
So, you want to eat something? Your fruits? No, don't play with the fruits. It's time for bath, Christian. Where are you? Bath time. So, magbabat na si Christian, guys. Ano ba itong camera ko? Yung likot. So, magano na tayo. Nag-run na ako ng water niya. Yan. I think this is enough na. That's fine. Shucks. So, ito mga labahan ko, guys. Oh. Dami akong labahan. Where are you na? Come on. Hoy! The water is ready.